Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sydney. Today I have an awesome Thredup unboxing for you guys. I ordered another Thredup mystery box. I actually have two of them, so I am going to be posting another unboxing later on in the week, so make sure that you are subscribed if you want to check that out. But these mystery boxes from Thredup are so fun. They are called Reject Rescue Boxes on the Thredup website. So I have this unboxing video for you today. I also wanted to thank everybody who has ordered face masks from me. I shipped out a bunch of orders yesterday and I'm shipping out more today, so I'm making them as fast as I can. But thank you to everyone who has ordered. Lots of you asking about ordering them. I will link my Etsy store down below if that is something that you are interested in. But anyway, so I'm excited to see what I got in this box today. It was just delivered, and let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said, I ordered two boxes. This is a 15-pound denim box. So these are 15 pounds of jeans. If you saw my last video, there were some amazing jeans in there. So definitely go back and check that out if you enjoy these unboxing videos. If you do like these videos, let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to keep doing them. If this is something that you enjoy, definitely let me know. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So this is what it looks like. It's got the little polka dot tissue paper. Packing slip, which I don't think the last one had. That's weird. This one is packed way better, honestly, with the tissue paper. Okie dokie. Let's see what we have here. So, first pair are a pair of Mossimo skinny jeans. These are like just plain dark wash skinny jeans. They are a size 8. They appear to be in good condition, nothing wrong with them. Yeah, skinny jeans from Target. Again, don't pass on Target brands just because they're from Target. People love the Target brands, especially Mossimo. I don't think they carry at Target anymore. So if you guys didn't know, Mossimo is Aunt Becky's husband from Full House. Lori Loughlin, I think is how you pronounce her name. They're going through some stuff right now, so they don't carry Mossimo at Target anymore. Anyway, next looks like this is a plus size pair of jeans. They are size 24. They are from Cato. Always good to get plus sizes. They are kind of hard to find if you are out thrifting for them, but these appear to be in really good condition. Yeah, they look almost brand new, so that's pretty awesome. Next is a pair of New Direction size 12. Look like khaki pants. They look like capri pants. This is the tag. New Direction is like a department store brand. I think they sell these at Kohl's. But these are khakis, and yeah, they don't seem to have any stains on them, so that's good. Let's see. Next are Riders by Lee, size 18. So another pair of plus size jeans. To be just regular, buttons there, zipper's good. Yeah, so I'm not really sure like how they decide what goes into these boxes. Like, there's nothing wrong with these, so I'm not sure why they wouldn't sell them on their own website, but who knows. Next is Grace in LA, size 26. These have some pretty crazy pockets on them. They look kind of like Miss Me jeans. I'm not really familiar with this brand, but they seem really well made. They're really cute. And they're in really good condition, so all the rhinestones and stuff seem to be there. The feet are in good condition, so yeah, not really familiar with this brand, but I'll take it. Next, these are Democracy jeans. These usually sell pretty well, actually. These have some really cute little sequin details. Like, they have distressing, and then in the distressing it has the sequins on them, so that's really cute. It's got some more sequins on the back, and then this is the tag for Democracy. If you ever see these, definitely pick them up. But yeah, these look to be in really good condition. No stains, buttons there, zippers there. But yeah, that's usually what I look for in jeans. Just make sure the zipper works, the buttons are there. Check like the inner thighs, the feet or the cuffs, the belt loops. On Miss Me jeans, you want to check and make sure that it has like all of the hardware and everything like that on it, so sometimes it falls off. Next, these are, the button says Faded Glory, so I'm assuming these are men's jeans. It says 36 by 29 regular fit, so this is good. I don't really find a lot of men's jeans where I am, so always looking to expand in my men's categories. But yeah, there's not really a tag in them, so I'm just gonna go, if you ever can't find a tag, always check the button, because it will usually have it printed on the button. Next, these are Vigold skinny jeans. I've never heard of this brand either. Yeah, they have really cute pockets on the back, and then buttons there, zippers there. They don't have any stains or anything. They are skinny fit, so that's good. Usually dark wash and skinny jeans tend to sell better than anything else, but yeah, they're in really great condition. Next, these are Melissa McCarthy 7 jeans. These are definitely a brand you want to look out for. Melissa McCarthy did a collaboration line with 7 jeans. I've definitely talked about these before in my video. This is what the tag looks like. These are a size 16. Yeah, they look to be in really good condition. They have these buttons at the bottom. They're like a skinny fit. A little bit wrinkled, need to steam them, but yeah, definitely gonna list these. That's exciting. Next, these are Gap Ultra Low Rise Ankle Jeans, size 10. There we go. I'm kind of excited, honestly, to be getting some more mall brands. I do not have a bin store where I am. Like, where I live, jeans cost $6 a pair. So I can't really pay $6 a pair for mall jeans, but mall jeans do sell. Like, the only mall jeans I typically buy are American Eagle, just because of how much the jeans cost where I am. But you know, when you're at the bins and you can get jeans for less than $2 a pair, that's when you want to pick up the mall brands, because just because they're mall brands don't mean that they won't sell. Usually the mall brands will sell much faster than the higher end brands, just because more people can afford those types of jeans. So I'm definitely excited to be getting more brands like Gap and Old Navy and things like that, because those are typically not brands that I'm able to pick up just because of how much they cost here. But yeah, these are, they feel brand new. Just like a straight cut basic staple jean. They look to be a little bit mid-rise. They say ultra low rise, but they definitely look to be not ultra low rise. So definitely gonna put some measurements in there, but love the dark wash jeans. We have some little teeny shorts from Crazy 8. Oh, it's a skirt. It's a little denim skirt. That's so cute. This is something I'm usually not able to pick up either, are kids' clothes. Like, I feel like this is a really cute little kid's skirt that somebody would want. So I'm definitely gonna list this. It has like the release time look. Definitely for a little trendy girl. I'm sure somebody will definitely enjoy it. Oh, more shorts. These are from Just USA. They look to be like a mid to high rise cutoff. They say they're size small. Yeah, size small. Definitely trendy with the distressing at the bottom of the cutoffs. Happy to be getting in some shorts. I'm sure these will sell pretty quickly. Hopefully, since we are getting into the summertime. Next is another pair of shorts, yeah, from BDG Denim. Can't really find a good tag, but yeah. Let's see. Definitely small. They might be kid size. I'm not really sure, but definitely listing all the shorts because that's what people are buying right now. And then we have S&P. Definitely gonna have to look up some of these brands because I've never heard of these either. These are like dark wash, skinny. They've got like the Western pockets on the back. They're in excellent shape though. Like, this really confuses me in terms of what they pick to list on their website. Like, there's nothing wrong with these and they could easily be sold. So I'm not really sure what Thredup's process is of how they pick things to be on their website to sell. But yeah, that is my last pair. Definitely some great bread and butter items in this box. I'm about to count and see how many pair I got. Okay, so looks like we got 14 items total in the box. It was $29.99 shipped, so 30 bucks. It's like $2-ish an item, which is not bad at all for jeans. Jeans will usually sell like at least $15 to $20 for bread and butter brands, and even more for the stuff like the plus sizes and the Melissa McCarthy jeans. So definitely some good money to be made on this box. I'm pretty excited about it, especially since we can't get out and get inventory right now. So great box, definitely worth the money if you are considering buying one to flip and sell on Poshmark and eBay. My first box was really good. This box was really good, especially considering what the price comes out to per item. Like I said, I usually pay, you know, at least $6 for a pair of jeans, even more depending on where I'm shopping. So really happy to get jeans for like $2 a pair. But yeah, that is my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I will have another one to be posted later on in the week, so make sure you're watching out for that. And I will see you guys in the next